Donald B here. Here we go. We're going to talk about Canva Magic Erase. The things that erase things. No, seriously, no. We're going to do a video, and I want to show you guys actually how to utilize the actual Magic Erase. And I'm going to just pick an image that we usually... Well, let's just create something. Let's go ahead and just come in here to Instagram. We want to keep this video short as possible. And let's grab an image that I already have. Let's say... Let's grab this guy. I don't know. Let's see what we can do here. We're going to do Magic Erase. So, he has a phone or something in his hand. Let's see if we can just go ahead and erase that. So let's go Magic Erase. He has this item, whatever it is. We're just going to go ahead and delete that. Remove it. Just like that. Let's see what happens. It's going to erase. Is it? Will it? We don't know. We're about to find out. It is taking a long time now. Never takes this long. Maybe it's not going to do it. Maybe it will. We're about to find out. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. They're really thinking now. Cause like, yo, this one's a little difficult. I don't get it. Why is it taking so long? It normally takes... Ah! See that? Look at that! Now, really, if you notice... Now, the thing is, you can actually put another item there, but I'm not going to go into it with this particular image. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how that works. Let's just do this one here. Let's remove that picture in the back. Delete it. Let's do this picture here. Let's move this stuff out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Delete. 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 Alright, let's take this object, bring it to the front so I can just... Forward, 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 forward. Alright, so... We got this image here. Now watch this. This one's cool. Let's get rid of the stethoscope. Sorry. So let's go here. And booyakacha. And we're going to get rid of that. Will it go away? We're about to find out. And in 3, 2, 1. Ho-ho, look at that. That's awesome, right? Let's get rid of that circle. Hold up. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that circle. It's going to go away. Will it? We're about to find out. And just like that, y'all, no more stethoscope. Stethoscope. Let's get rid of this one here. And it made it seem like she's never had one at all. That's close to her face. But you guys see the whole point. The whole point is I got rid of those things. We got rid of the items. You can replace with something else. There is another tool on here that you can use to replace things, which is so cool. So you can tell she has a stethoscope on here. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Another way of using the Magic Studio, which is called Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser is a way to go when it comes to deleting items off of objects. Alright, y'all. As always, it's not deuces, it's doses.